No light has ever reached this place, not once, not in 4 billion years. And yet, something was moving down there. Not panicking, not hiding, just moving. The way something moves when it has never needed to fear anything. It belongs to the same family as the creature you find curled under wet rocks in your garden. You've seen it 100 times, stepped over it, ignored it. Now imagine that same animal, same segmented body, same compound eyes, same armored shell, scaled to the size of a human head, sitting motionless in the dark, waiting. This is the giant isopod, and it has been waiting, in one form or another, for 300 million years. Longer than the dinosaurs existed, longer than flowers, longer than birds. It was here before almost everything alive today. And it has not changed. Not significantly. Not in any way that suggests it needed to. The deep sea perfected it a very long time ago, and then left it alone.
At this depth, the water above you doesn't feel like water anymore. It weighs 600 times what the atmosphere weighs on your shoulders right now. Engineers spend years designing submarines to survive pressures like this. They still fail. Hulls crack. Seals collapse. Metal, specifically engineered metal, folds inward like paper. The Isopod has no engineers. It has something better. Every plate of its exoskeleton overlaps the next. Not rigidly, but with a precise amount of flex. When pressure increases, the shell doesn't resist it. It distributes it, spreads it across every surface simultaneously, so no single point ever bears enough load to fail. It didn't learn this. It simply evolved it 300 million years ago, long before we understood the physics well enough to copy it.
There is almost nothing to eat down here. The deep ocean is not a hunting ground. It is a waiting room. Food arrives from above, slowly, unpredictably, and rarely. A dead fish, a fragment of whale bone, something that lost its fight with the dark weeks ago and has been sinking ever since. The Isopod can detect it before it lands. Chemical traces dissolving through thousands of meters of water, sensed by receptors that have been refined across geological time specifically for this purpose. And when the food arrives, it feeds with the urgency of something that knows exactly how long the next wait will be. One isopod in captivity went 5 years without a single meal. 5 years. Its metabolism dropped so low that instruments struggled to confirm it was alive. Burning almost nothing. Losing almost nothing. Just waiting. The way only something ancient truly knows how to wait. In 2016, a National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration remotely operated vehicle descended into the Mariana Trench. At 5,830 meters, well beyond the confirmed range of any known giant isopod, the camera found something on the seafloor.
Same body, same plates, same unhurried movement. The scientists watching the feed went quiet. Not because it was doing anything remarkable, because it was there at all. They couldn't identify the species, couldn't explain the depth, couldn't say with certainty what it was eating down there, or how its biology was handling pressures its known relatives have never been recorded surviving. It didn't appear to notice the ROV. It just kept moving. The way something moves when it has been doing this, completely alone, for longer than we can meaningfully imagine. We have mapped less than 20% of the ocean floor. The Mariana Trench, the deepest place on Earth, remains almost entirely unexplored. What we found at 5,830 meters was something we could not name. Something that had survived every catastrophe this planet has ever produced. Every asteroid, every ice age, every mass extinction that emptied the oceans above it. It survived all of it. Down here, in the dark, doing exactly what you just watched it do. If that is what lives at 5,830 meters, then the question no one has answered is what lives at 8,000, at 10,000, at the very bottom of the deepest place on Earth, and whether whatever is down there has any awareness that we are looking.